Hi dosto, today I'm going to show you how to create a dashboard using ArcGIS Online once you have a web map. So on your web map, when you've done your setting, you have a layer the way you want to be visualize, and now you want to create a dashboard. So the one of the easiest way is on the web map there is a option which is called create app. You can go to the create app and then you have a bunch of options. Among them is a dashboard. Use that and then put the name, rename the according to your purpose of the dashboard. And this is just put a few things if you need anything for the tag and the summary for the to memorize like how you want to be see these things and save into the folder, and finally you create it. So in this dashboard, you will see the map which you started to with that. So you have that as a one of the element on the dashboard. Now you have a different options you can use. So what you can do is add different elements, and you can define those locations where you can set those elements are. So let's suppose we want to be add a indicator and based on the population points, and we will discuss about this one in the other. You can watch these things in other video how I'm going to set these different indicators, but I'm just want to give you the idea how you want to start the layout in this video. And then you have other elements you don't need to be add. So let's suppose you want to add something here. We need to add a pie chart, and we can use some fields. So we can do some and then the population. Okay, so this is a way we can make few things quickly, and we need to be set the header for this view, and we need to be go to the header, add a header in this case. If you don't want to, if you have any titles here, otherwise it will automatically take the data, the name of the web map as a header. So, and then you can set this header, and if you want to make the background changes, just to have a text color is want to change, you can change, and then we have option to change the background color as well. Pick the background color accordingly. Then you have option to have use the margin, and then you can also set the logo. So you have different icons provided. Use one of them depending on the nature of the data sets you have, and then you have a different sizes, small and large. You can use that, and then even you can use some background images and then place up the map. So this is where you can set the header of this dashboard, and there are like this option sign out and sign in options are there. If you want to be enable that one, keep that one in there. So otherwise you can turn off this option, so it's not available on the dashboard if this is the purpose of the dashboard is for the public domain. And then you can set the filters. So filter can be added into the dashboard. So let's suppose we have this layer, we need the group values, and I'm just randomly taking few uh, variables to just for the sake of this display, and then we can set this dash filter on the header of this map. And if you have a multiple tabs, if you want to be do, you can do the multiple tab as well. So in the body, you can add one more element. Let's suppose we have a, uh, let's try to something different. Another one pie chart. This time we will take another one, data, use some fields and some giving the population sum. So now we have a, okay, so it's not showing. Let me change the field. Population points. We have distance options, sector of the hospitals, count in terms of, yeah, let me do the count of that. Let's go. And now we have multiple elements and we can over move them and stack on each other. So in this case, if you can see, you have two tabs where we can overlap. So this is a way you can have multiple windows and multiple tabs, and then they can be created different elements. And the one more thing is if you want to be add a sidebar when you will open this project on the go to the website, so you can enable some. And now we can add this one. This is collapsible, and we can go to the configuration. If you have any tags or information, you can enter it's here. It's go directly into your point. So this can be seen here in the task text.